Welcome to Helene's Corner. So this is a drive-by vlog of Hausa quarters. Today I'm going to take you guys to Hausa quarters, where we are going to enjoy our life. Waiting for Kita, this thing you go see dashboard because we brought it forward.
It's okay.
You like it like that?
Yeah. Yes, it's better showing people, not showing every sky. You know that there's a difference now.
So you prefer it shows dashboard than shows sky?
Better showing down than showing
This my husband there. This my husband. Okay, let's go to Ogbe and buy carrots, cabbage.
Through like this because of you, instead of going there to turn back.
Oh, okay.
Like
Okay,
this.
better. Then you not turn like this. It's true. It's better that way. You see why it's good to have meat. I'm not even bothered about meat. Last week I don't buy meat of 8,000. This week I don't buy 10,000. Or I say 8,000, I'll be 16,000. 16k. This week the same thing. Every week you must spend.
It's like crazily expensive now. Crazily expensive.
I'm telling you.
I don't know how the very poor down to the now are.
What about those people that are earning 30,000 minimum wage? Look around the other side.
How they are surviving?
They are earning 30,000 naira minimum wage. What
kind of wahala is that? Ever?
No, go through the other side. Here is okay. It's just that let's go through here. So today we are going to Ogbe. Okay, pass here.
Ever like this?
Yes. Chefu go. Chefu ze. So this is the area where you can find chuku mego na yanele cabbage now. Imagine.
Cabbage, never try out.
You say I not try. I go buy cabbage now. Now I'm going to do the fried rice. You say I not try. I the last time I touched one cabbage, they say 2,000 naira, but I get kumbabu warog. I will buy it and we'll just do only tomorrow now. Do fried rice with it. Select each all those liver, kg. We share the fried rice tomorrow. I can share and my life safe. Then tomorrow I went to child education to attend and one this thing. One committee of friends. I'm not going to get home. And now you're going to see abia so that I'll be able. So this is the Hausa area of Ebonyi State.
Hausa quarters. Is only this place?
Hausa quarters. No, this one is Ogbe Hausa.
Okay.
The other side is Hausa quarters.
Okay.
I feel that this is the business area for Hausa people. Yes, where they can sell all this suya and a lot of things.
This is their own word. They sell everything here. Not something that you find you don't see.
Anything that is Hausa that you want to buy. You know that my
everything.
No, is this side we are supposed to go, but go through here now. Let's turn through the other side a bit. There's one woman that say kuli that place and granatoy
they
are doing. It's here they do bureau de change. If you want to change your dollar to naira, it's in this place. Exactly. It's in this place. So anything Hausa. We made a mistake. We would have passed outside. They are selling suya.
You went to suya.
Aburo can tell suya. No, for you go to suya, you manta.
No, now you are saying I would have made a mistake. Okay, back is
that side is more populated. That's where they will see what they would like to see because I can't film all the whole place. Do you understand me? This side. Only one woman ele masa. Can nena go to the masa. Masa.
Anybody that grew up in the north knows what masa is.
Yes,
Masa. It was when I came to Abuja, I mean Kaduna that I know.
Masa,
It's masa.
There's one woman that said masa,
Just here.
Let me go and ask whether.
Yeah.
Buy masa. Wait, let me buy yaji now in case Benedict brings this thing for us. Let me buy yaji.
About a bit left. Where the person may I greet her?
Where you greet her?
You don't greet me. Where in the now?
Just they go now. Don't pass that place. And here they choked. You know how Hausa they always choked.
Is this straight we are going?
You go straight.
It's a very good road. It's a very good road.
I don't know why. Most places that you find people gathered, houses gathered, it's always as if it's the same pattern in every state of the federation. If you go to Kaduna, the same. Abuja, the same kind of. Do you understand? I don't know why it's like that. If you ask me, aside from the junction we just came out from, which is the side they sell suya, then this is another most popular place where they sell this cabbage. Okay, is one of the most popular place in this Hausa. Okay, this place, in fact, almost every 2 weeks or 3 weeks, you find out that 1 or 2 family must visit this area because they want salad ingredients. Okay, you can get beetroot, even mint leaf, as in everything for salad or everything for weight loss. You can get it here, like Irish potato, you get them all here. This is the place that they truck offload majorly in Abakaliki. Okay, and then the place is very big. All this place, like if you go straight and come out there because EcoBank is the one that is opposite. Is it really EcoBank? Okay, if you come out there, you can drive down and go and turn. The place is really massive. Okay, I cannot completely show you that whole place. Okay, so this is where I can show you for now. If not, the video will be very long and you might not like it. Okay, so but if you want the full video, you can drop it and I will do another one and just go around the whole place. Okay, it's big but not really that big because I don't know how you people will understand the video. So this is opposite EcoBank, and if you take your right, you're going to drive ahead to Kilimanjaro, down to Union Bank, then down to Waterworks roundabout. This is where we are going to end this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in another one. Bye bye, love you. Thank you for watching Helene's Corner.